All right. Let's post this link real quick. Oh. Come on. Man. Okay. Of course. Okay. What's up, man? You in any trades right now? What in the hell? Oh, that was on Twitter. Okay. Let me put it in here too. Do. I really hope someone bids this damn coin. Please, someone. Please, somebody bid. Let's see. All right. Be honest with you, it don't look too hot. Bouncing back though, before the takeoff, bouncing back at the level before we just took off. So that ain't too bad. Reset on the RSI to the level 2. What else can we see here? We got, just get rid of these drawings for a second. Can't have too much on the screen sometimes, will confuse the shit out of you. Yo, what's up, guys? Whoa, what's up, Sasha? Jonto, what's up, man? Atari, Lo Lewis, Jay, what's up, man? No trade, huh, Jay? Anybody in a trade right now? Is there a way? I really need to get more comfortable with this. Is there not a way to, like, pop out chat? Okay, cool. There we go. There we go. We'll get that like that. But yeah, it don't look too great right now. You really want this last level right here to hold. You can see this is the last level that we touched before the breakout here. And we just, that was such an awful rejection. Feels like you're playing with a grenade. Yeah, I bet. It really does, don't it? Coming into a nice squeeze on the BBs here as well. Also resetting on the RSI. Guys in the mentorship, they know what I'm looking at. Let's see here. I've had this, not too much at risk though. 50x long from 41.6. Nice, Sasha. Nice entry, dude. Nice entry. I've been scalping the movements as it's been going down, but I got in so early, got in very early. I had a thought that this would happen, but like I said, I have the capital to scalp the level all the way down. So if I actually closed my loss right now, I'd only end up losing it says I'm down like 13%, but I'd only end up losing like 5. That's how well I've done it on the breakdown here. But yeah. What the fuck is that? Oh, okay. I managed to get in. Drop today. Got some in. Missed the whole move today. Ugh. Yeah. It's a bummer. It always is, ain't it? But they come so often. Look at all these movements. I mean, even if you ever miss a volatility move, just give it about 24 hours. You'll be right back there again. Wow. Will be better. Yes, it will. It will get better. Let's see here what we're looking like on the three. Like I said, there's some. I've already closed that one scalp. I didn't even catch the whole move that I caught at 500. I don't even. It was like a $70 move. I didn't get the $130 move. My paper hands, man. My paper hands. This is why I like shorting Bitcoin. Okay, gravity works way better going down. I mean, this shit. It's not like it's going to zero. But I don't know. I guess I'm way better at finding a short, even if that level should have bounced like it should have bounced. I don't know. I'm just better at finding failures and bouncing. Or when a squeeze comes, I'm very good at those. 577. Yeah, John. Yeah, it's easier, man. Especially in this environment. It's just there's less risk with shorting with the environment that we have. Wow. But if I do catch a trade, or if I can see something worthy of it, I will go for it. We have yet to break out of the low time frame trend, though. We have yet to break out of it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like I said, I'm not a bear or a bull. I'm just sitting here trading this coin. Obviously I'm long term bullish on Bitcoin, but we all know what it should be, doing. But the powers that be just don't give a shit, do they? 41,350 though. Like I was saying, the hour. Chad's even posted this too. The hour BB being down here at 41.1 level. That'd be a nice little scalp entry if we do get that. So I mean that's definitely on the table. It's also with the 200 EMA, and that's been acting as support, as you can see. So yeah, it's not looking too friendly. But I mean, there's a lot of things that add up for it to hold the level that it's at. Definitely a lot of different things. But how bearish, we didn't really get a bearish 4-hour engulfing, not in my opinion. If obviously we didn't, but the 2-hour, 2-hour, it's not awful yet. It's not like just like wow. We had this same movement. It actually kind of looked worse with a tweezer, like kind of like a tweezer top here yesterday. We held the moving average of the BB though, but we're back under the 200 EMA. So those are things I'm watching. I really like using the 200 EMA now. It's on higher time frames. I don't really care for it on lower. It'll tell you the trend. It's not like you should be like, oh, it's going to bounce right on the EMA in every time or something. But it'll, when it gets up under it or it gets up above it really bad, it's a pretty good indicator. Like this crossing. Whenever it crosses on a big move, it's a pretty good indicator to use. Wow. Really need to get like music if I'm gonna do this stuff because, God, it's too quiet. I can hear myself too well. But here we are. Charts. Shit, man. That is just a sell off. God. We had 5 days till Crypto Bahamas with Bill Clinton and SBF and all them, Sam, I was really thinking, we would ride to fuck, it is Thursday. I'm telling you, I lose track of days, guys. I honestly, sometimes I wake up, I just don't know, It's a good life to have, I'm just, I barely got any responsibility that I can just wake up and whenever I really feel like it, and not even know what day it is sometimes. I do. I mean, I wake up early anyway, but still. Good God, man! Someone bid this fucking coin, please. uh, it's a nice, better look at it there. Um, let's see here. Like, obviously, this is a nice level. Be nice if it holds this level, though, right here. Or I will have to close the damn coin. I'll just have to close my trade. But like I said, I done scalped it all the way down, and it won't hurt as much if I do have to close. That's why you don't bet too much. You see how unbothered I am? Like, I'm completely okay with what I could lose. And that's how it's got to be. That's just how it's got to be, or you'll just go in and out all day long and miss every opportunity. Believe me, I was that person that missed every opportunity because he went in and out only. So, you got to learn from that type of shit. You really have to have the capital. But yeah, this don't look too hot. Anybody have any good wins lately at all? I'm about to say, this is actually the first time I've been underwater in, shit. First time I've been underwater in, like this since when, man? Like, when was the last time I was actually this deep? It's been a good minute, and sometimes you'll get cocky like that, like I did today. And, yeah. Here we are. $700 underwater on the trade. $700 in price movement. I mean, it's a little more than that, quite a bit more, but it's quite a bit more than that. But $700 price movement, yeah. God, my lord, it's trying to form a bottom, though. It really is. I think the level's decent for a hold here. It really is trying to form one. It looks like it may try. Could push 42K right off this. Be nice. I'm not saying long the fucking coin. I might, though. Where's my... where did I put it? Wow. Shit. Oh, there it is. Okay. Important your was paid. Failed. What do you mean it failed? It does look good. It does look kind of decent. I'm not gonna lie. Looks kind of decent. Jesus. It's kind of worth it almost to just try to scalp here. This wouldn't be the worst entry in the world right here. Would not be. I really wanted to see if we could grab that 41-1, though. I really did want to see if we could get 41-1. But that may just be too much to ask for. It is, turning 3 o'clock in New York right now. As you can see here, the trend lately has been the market bids upwards afterwards. The last couple days, the market has sold off around this point, and this really being the low, and then just chops around and moves up a little bit. So we got that going for us. We got that going for us. We'll try to scalp with this capital and more leverage here. Exactly. Don't risk too much. I mean, don't ever risk too much when scalping anyway. Scalping is the harder thing to do when trading. It's much easier just to trade on the higher time trends. But that also can be detrimental sometimes. What I really liked about that dip below 39K is how quickly it was and how we just came back to this level. That would be quite the trap, wouldn't it? Lol, whenever I use your levels, I have always been in profit. Sweet. That's all I want to hear, man. I don't even give a shit if I make money. Y'all making money, that's cool enough. But yeah, you see how we just dipped under and just rode it back up above the level here. That's also something to look at right here on the 4 hour. We went to this level, dipped back, transitory, because how fast we ran it back. Now we're sitting on top of it. All that other shit. I try to not to listen to the world too much. Obviously we're in a bad point. But if Bitcoin is what it is, this is the golden time for it to rise, right? So, just got to take everything with just the tiniest grain of salt. But that 4 hour, I mean, shit. Does not need to lose around here. Needs to chop about. Does not need to lose the moving average here on the BB. Man. Be very careful. Either way, on the lower time frames, it looks decent for a bounce. You look in the higher time frames, shit gets a little scary. All right, let's just avoid the part that don't fit our bias, right? Yeah. Anyways, that's sarcasm, by the way. Just making sure everyone's on board there. Let's not ignore what goes against us. Yeah, I mean, I still have not entered any type of scalp yet since that last time we were here. Wow. Yeah. Let's see here. Like I said, it don't look too bad. Really rather break the downtrend. Like so. Let's look at our levels. We really want it to just shit. Look at there, man. I swear I pushed the brush. Break out and get it back above here. That would be the safest bet if you wanted to enter more of a swing. If you're feeling bullish. It's trying to though, man. It's really trying to break out. Hey, look, guys. I mean, market makers. This shit is not. This ain't right, man. That is not right. You know what? It's one of the most beautiful patterns. You see this pattern a lot. It's like a crown in a way. Crown. You see the crown again? It's one of my favorite patterns too that I've seen here lately. Crown. It happens all the time. Literally, this is like it happens on like larger time frames too. The crown. See it? It's crazy, right? They just reuse. That's why whenever anyone ever dishes, I mean, like bashes on fractals or repeating patterns, like so, fucking don't listen to the bastards, man. You know how much shit I've repeated off. I mean, shit I've called off repetition of patterns the market makers make. It's a fucking the longest list possible. If you If you hear anybody saying that shit, just fucking block them, man. They don't know what the fuck they're talking about. You know, I had a plan I sent out, you know, of this being like the fractal of 64K. And I really hope I didn't enter it at the wrong point here. I really hope I did not. I sent that video out to y'all a couple days ago about this area here looking like this drop here, comparing it to here. Really hope at this point in time, you know, once I close my long, we can proceed back down that route. But let's hold off for a second, guys. So, not pretty, man. Let me see something. All right, Sasha, bro. Have a good one, man. Well, but yeah, man. Really, this level and 41.1 are the ones I'm looking at the most. If you are on a small portfolio, obviously you want the lower level. If you can afford to gamble, obviously you can bid here too. I keep my invalidations pretty tight though. Let's see here. You know, like a 41. See this? We're here right now. So a good invalidation is if we lose this level here. You know, you might as well just cut your bullshit and walk away. Okay, I like that. I like this a little bit right here, this formation. See if we squeeze up 41.6. Let's see if we squeeze 41.6 here. It makes sense to run 41.6 back one last time. It makes sense just to save the level in general. Keep the trend going. But, like I said, what, Crypto Bahamas, that's on the 26th, ain't it? I've mixed up my days. When is that? What day is that? It's Friday tomorrow, too, so it's also something to keep in the back of your head. I really thought we were going to run 43.3. I really thought we were going to. I mean, either way, I shorted. I got a good profit off the short either way, but shit. Not too pretty still. Yeah, if we could take them lows out, I'll swing along. That's what I'm looking at, guys. I'm not going to long it here. I need to get off here and eat anyway, but this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking at, I want us to take these lows out. We already took these lows. Let's go ahead and take these right here in this area. 41K to 41.2 area here. That would be your best gamble right now. That would be your best gamble. Right now is not the best, as you can see, until we're back up above this EMA. So keep that. Yep. That's what I would look for, guys. I wouldn't buy shit yet. Just let it keep running. May bounce, may not. If it bounces before our level, we short it somewhere else. That's simple. You don't got to catch every move. You just need to catch the one after it. All right, man. Y'all have a good day. I'm out of here.